Lawrence has the most beautiful hands. He's so excited about them every day. These two hands. You like those two hands? What? You like these two hands? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, show everybody those pretty hands. Oh, there's one. How many hands do you have? 2. Let's show everybody. There they are. There's his beautiful little hands. He has beautiful little feet too. He has on a Pooh Bear sock. And he somehow kicked off the other Pooh Bear sock. Did you kick off that Pooh Bear sock? Mm-hmm. Maybe. 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 Whoops. Whoops. Mommy tried to turn it off and it wouldn't go. Try it again. Say bye. Bye. Can you say bye? Bye. No.